The video begins by introducing the shooting brake, a bespoke, estate-style conversion of the Tesla Model S created by British firm Qwest Norfolk. Designed to increase cargo space and visual distinctiveness, this conversion originated from a conversation over a pint at a pub. Phil Hayton, Qwest director, had just bought a P90D and mentioned needing more room for his labradoodle, Ted. Jim Router, the engineering director, responded that turning it into an estate would be a doddle, and the idea took root. Qwest then laser-scanned Hayton's Tesla and crafted a full 3D model, producing multiple mock-ups before landing on the final form, carbon fiber rear bodywork seamlessly replacing the original fastback tail, while preserving the structural integrity and crash zones. Design and engineering highlights. Visually, the video spends time showcasing the shooting brake's elegant silhouette. The carbon fiber rear integrates cleanly, extending the roofline and adding a gently sloping rear hatch. The glass panel is completely new, though the original C-pillars remain hidden beneath, upholding safety certifications. Structurally, Jim Router emphasizes that the original crash structures and electronic systems were preserved. The new panels were purpose-built, E-marked, and locally made, taking weight off via carbon fiber, resulting in a converted vehicle that is actually 12 kilograms lighter than a stock Model S. The estate-style tailbay reportedly adds 7.4 cubic feet, or 0.21 cubic meters, of extra cargo space. Rear headroom increases by 3 inches, making it comfortable for adults when optional third-row seats are installed. The car retains a rear wiper with intermittent settings and reportedly quieter aerodynamic presence. Driving experience and performance. During the test drive, the Qwest shooting brake demonstrates identical driving behavior to a stock Model S. The video highlights its trademark electric torque and performance remain unchanged. 060 mph times hover around 2.8 s thanks to its retained P90D drivetrain and slightly reduced weight. Interior dynamics are untouched, identical suspension tuning, cabin feel, weight distribution, and overall ride comfort. The added cargo capacity and structural tweaks have no adverse effect on handling or comfort. The transformation is purely visual and practical. Warranty and build process. The video also covers a crucial point. Despite extensive modifications, Tesla has honored the car's original warranty. Qwest confirms Tesla technicians have studied the structural upgrades during servicing, indicating official support or non-objection. The conversion process takes around 10 weeks, mostly involving stripping down the rear body, manufacturing carbon fiber reinforced panels, fitting glass elements, and finishing the rear with paint and sealant. Cost and exclusivity. Qwest's conversion package comes with a luxury price tag. Originally pegged at about £70,000, $90,000, and later noted as £84,000 in USD terms, the costs include bespoke craftsmanship, carbon fiber production, engineering time, and approvals. But it's a niche product. Qwest plans to build only around 30 units. This rarity, paired with estate car exclusivity in EV form, is part of its allure. The video suggests prices might decrease if demand increases. The review also hints at potential variations, like wood-paneled versions inspired by classic shooting brakes. Market positioning and reactions. Visually and emotionally, the video portrays the car as a compelling solution for dog owners, outdoor enthusiasts, and those craving individuality in an EV world. A senior team member mentions he'd expect the car to feel equally at home in Knightsbridge or on East Anglia country lanes. Press coverage, Autocar, Top Gear, Teslarati, praises the innovation, carbon fiber expertise, uncompromised performance, increased practicality, and retained safety systems. Top Gear reports the car remains sub-2, 100 kg and retains its 060 mph in about 2.8 s thanks to carbon fiber lightning. Final assessment and takeaways. The review concludes that Qwest's Tesla Model S shooting brake is a seamless blend of functional elegance and luxury craftsmanship. The ride feels authentically Tesla, while the increased cabin versatility and distinctive styling offer something unique in the EV space. The price tag remains high, but the video underscores it's framed as a bespoke, coach-built refurbishment, comparable to paying for luxury wristwear, fine tailoring, or custom art. It's not for the masses but perfect for those who want their car to stand out while retaining everyday usability. Conclusion: Qwest's Tesla Model S shooting brake is a niche, high-end conversion that smartly balances innovation, safety, and performance. With added luggage space, lighter weight, structural integrity, warranty retention, and zero compromise on Tesla's famed driving experience, the video casts this estate powerhouse as an exclusive game-changer in the EV world, for those ready to spend £70,000 to £84,000 on bespoke greatness. If you're into custom coach-built EVs, dog-friendly designs, or just crave something rare, the Qwest shooting brake is an engineering marvel well worth the attention.